Hello, trading is closed on July 23rd, 2015. I'm Tennant. Let's review yesterday's calls as usual. After yesterday's action, I thought we had a reasonable chance to hit these prices in the 2120s. I wanted to have two things. One was a sharp move up at the open, which didn't happen, and the other one was for yesterday's lows to hold, which didn't happen. So those targets failed after all. I don't mind this 21, 26, 21 price failing to print in this preferred time frame because at market major changes in trend, the system usually leaves at least one failed target. But I do have concerns about the ultimate target of 2127.67. These things print. They don't have a habit of being left unfilled at major changes in trend, and I'm still looking for that number. Doesn't have to happen tomorrow. During the day, early on, mejt said ultimately higher prices would print. It gave a buy signal too. Here is the price target. When they hit the target, the F means the move was said to be false. Resistance held, the move was false. A return to this line was called for. That happened. Once we dropped, mejt said it's a false move, calls for a return to 2111.48, most likely by early Monday. It also said this rally was false and prices would return to this line, which was support for a little bit. Well, are we going to see 2111.48? We dropped most of the day. Technically, we closed under this middle of the day low, but not by much. And if we were to have a gap up, it really would act as a surrogate for this close. And it would mean that the close was actually over the middle of the day low, which is generally positive. This is the DeMark buy signal, the combo and sequential, on the 15-minute chart. The stop is a close significantly under this line, which is interpreted loosely. We're under it by about 0.1%. That's not enough. And there's also something called a DeMark critical qualifier, which requires us to trade at least one tick under that low to validate the signal, even if it were far enough down. So if we were to gap up tomorrow, this buy signal would still be active. This is a 30-minute chart. We have a combo buy signal at the low. We have bar 13 finishing early of a sequential buy signal at the low. Here's a 65-minute chart. You can see right at a Fibonacci retracement. This is 38.2% of the range of the whole up move. That's where the reversal came. That's a stilt. That small thing is a stilt. It's a funny looking diamond, but half is enough. And if it is a diamond, the first test of the origin of the left stilt typically holds. Well, if we're not going to tank and the market intends to have a rally, we have more than enough reasons to expect to move up right from the open tomorrow with a target of 2111.48 with a possibility that we get these other prices in the 2120s also. If instead of moving up right from the open tomorrow, we take out these lows, it looks like more trouble. I'm betting we go up, but we'll know for certain that tomorrow's open. And that is today's call.